Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
Snap anywhere. Charge anywhere. The best partner for your phone. MagSafer 2.0, ultimate wireless for universal phones. Powerful 15-watt wireless charging output with a real 5000 mAh battery, complete with a ring of 36 magnets on each side. MagSafer 2.0 also provides 15-watt wireless input charging with a Think reprogrammed MCU and a multiple-use Type-C slot. The simplest way to charge. What if your friend's phone still needs charging? MagSafer 2.0 is still here for you. The aluminium stand is the perfect partner for watching movies on the go. First power bank to provide multiple input and output MagSafe charging all at once. It's not just convenient, MagSafer 2.0 can bring you an ideal life. MagSafer 2.0, ultimate wireless for universal.
Lock desk mount with our optional wireless charging head is the slickest way to hold and charge your smartphone around the home and office. With sleek anodized aluminum, the Quad-Lock desk mount is a stylish addition to the Quad-Lock range. The optional wireless charging head can be easily integrated with the Quad-Lock desk mount for fast wireless charging of your device. The reusable nano suction base ensures the desk mount holds securely at all times. Easily attach and detach your smartphone with one hand. Use the gimbal head to set your smartphone to the perfect viewing angle. Easily adjust to view in either portrait or landscape. The Quad-Lock desk mount is a great way to hide cables, reduce clutter, and win back desk space. Power up the Quad-Lock wireless charging head with the supplied USB cable. Stay charged up with up to 2 times faster charging than standard wireless chargers. Don't like LED indicator lights? Just turn them off and ensure a good night's sleep. The Quad-Lock wireless charging head is compatible with Quad-Lock cases for smartphones that support wireless charging. Quad-Lock makes for a great everyday case, and with its slim profile, it's easily pocketable. The Quad-Lock case will keep your smartphone safe, thanks to its impact-resistant edge-to-edge protection and microfiber lining. With already 1 million customers and thousands of 5-star reviews, Quad-Lock is the world's best solution. Quad-Lock, smartphone mounting for an...
Introducing the rugged portable wireless charger. A 4000 mAh capacity allows for up to 2 full iPhone charges. Automatically fast charges at 10 watts for Samsung devices or 7.5 watts for Apple devices. Charge 2 devices at once through USB and wireless charging. The rugged portable wireless charger has a coil at the bottom to charge itself wirelessly, or you can use a supplied micro USB cable. Lightweight and compact, our charger is the perfect companion for your phone. Our charger also has rugged drop protection and is IP65 water resistant. Easily wirelessly charge your phone with our wireless series cases or with the magnet taken out of your Rockform case. This product has a 1-year limited warranty and has a 60-day money-back guarantee.
iPhone 12 is out, and so are the first wireless chargers supporting the new MagSafe magnetic charging. Introducing HyperJuice, the 4-in-1 wireless charger that blows away the competition. HyperJuice can wirelessly charge up to 4 devices. You can charge your Android or older iPhone, AirPods, your Apple Watch, and the iPhone 12, all at the same time. The competition?
This sucks.
Not so much. HyperJuice features an articulating magnetic mount for the iPhone 12 that allows you to find the perfect angle for browsing, FaceTime calls, or watching movies. HyperJuice adapts to your needs. The competition, on the other hand,
You're kidding me.
is not so flexible. HyperJuice can be powered by either a DC or USB-C charger, so there's no need to bring along a special proprietary charger.
That was easy.
Finally, unlike our stiff competition, HyperJuice is foldable, so you can easily bring it wherever you go.
See ya.